Welcome to Design Inspiration, where we not only create spaces, but also inspire a lifestyle. Today, let's explore the beauty and convenience of a luxurious bathroom where sophistication and modernity blend in every detail. Imagine, you step into a tranquil space, where all sounds seem to disappear, leaving only your breath and your own presence. Welcome to the Zen-style bathroom, where architecture is not just form, but a path to guide the soul. In the hectic pace of modern life, a quiet space to return to oneself is something everyone desires. And there's no place more ideal than the bathroom, where a day begins and ends, to realize that. Inspired by the Japanese Zen philosophy, the Zen style brings a deeply relaxing, neat, and sophisticated bathroom space. Unlike elaborate designs, the Zen space embraces simplicity and silence as its foundation. Every detail aims for elegance and naturalness: smooth walls in neutral tones, gently ground stone floors, rustic basins, or even a small branch placed next to the tub becomes a delicate highlight. There is no noisy sound, no harsh light. Zen is expressed through a slow, gentle energy flow. Natural light filters through frosted windows or slender bamboo blinds, reflecting on wooden and stone surfaces to create a therapeutic living space, where the body and mind can both rest. Materials in a Zen bathroom are carefully selected: natural wood, polished stone, raw ceramics, and minimalist metal. Every item exists for a reason, not to show off, but to serve emotion and function. All come together as a manifesto of slow living, simple, yet profound. A Zen bathroom is not merely a place of use, but a miniature meditation room amidst the city, where you can pause, breathe, feel yourself, and begin again, in luxurious stillness. The Zen-style bathroom is a harmonious combination of tranquility, nature, and minimalism. Every detail in the space is carefully selected to create a deep sense of relaxation, comfort, and a meditative spirit in modern life. The color palette plays an important role in shaping the mood of the space. Zen prioritizes soft, natural tones such as stone gray, sandy beige, ivory white, and earthy brown. These are not just the colors of materials, but also the colors of balance, gentle on the eyes, soothing to the spirit. As for materials, Zen honors what is rustic and familiar. Untreated raw wood, ground stone with lightly textured surfaces, simple raw ceramics, natural linen fabrics, or compressed bamboo, all bring an authentic and profound feeling. There is no flashy gloss, only quiet beauty that lives with time. Lighting in a Zen bathroom is not designed to overpower the space, but to honor each original texture. Soft yellow or neutral white light from recessed fixtures, combined with natural light from small windows or skylights, makes every detail come alive. That light is not just enough to see, but enough to feel. If possible, a small window opening to the morning sunlight is the most wonderful natural lamp, guiding the way to a new day beginning in peace, stillness, and full of Zen-inspired life. In a modern bathroom with Zen style, every compositional element is intentionally arranged to aim toward a meditative experience and energy regeneration. The space is not only for use, but a place where the body and mind can touch a state of deep relaxation amidst minimalism and sophistication. Zen bathroom design emphasizes neatness, silence, and connection with nature. A natural stone sink is placed on a simple rustic wooden shelf, rustic yet still luxurious. A frameless mirror reflects soft light, helping to expand the visual space and create a gentle, relaxing feeling. The bathtub is often positioned next to a window, where natural light gently pours in. Beside it is a small plant pot, a scented candle, or a bottle of essential oil, all evoking a private corner where the user can immerse themselves in quiet, private, and profound moments. The special feature in Zen layout is the presence of a sitting bench, where you can take deep breaths, listen to the sound of water flowing from the faucet, and simply be in the present moment. That space is no longer confined by walls, but becomes a place where human and nature become one. Every small detail, from materials to arrangement, contributes to creating a living space full of emotion, where beauty does not come from showiness, but from stillness and depth. A Zen bathroom is not only luxurious in form, but also refined in how it touches the user's emotions. A modern minimalist-style bathroom doesn't need to be spacious, nor luxurious, but needs to be cared for, understood, and carry the spirit of Zen living. Because with Zen, space is not just for use, but a place to return to oneself, in silence and awareness. Zen bathrooms do not focus on display, but seek deeper values, a sense of peace, soft lighting, natural materials, and a reasonable layout that helps you let go of all the noise of life outside. This is a place where you not only cleanse your body, but also purify your mind. Every detail in the space, from the rustic stone sink, the soft light through bamboo blinds, the bathtub under the window, to a small branch or the faint scent of essential oils, serves one purpose, to bring you back to your true self. Not through words, but through complete sensory perception. In that delicate simplicity, refinement is expressed through the depth of design, where every item is just enough, every line is elegant, every empty space holds meaning. This is no longer simply a bathroom, but a private meditation chamber within the modern home. When each day begins and ends in that place, you will realize that peace is not far away, but exists right within the living space created by stillness, simplicity, and self-awareness. If you are looking for a place to be in the present, then the Zen bathroom is the suggestion you should try. Don't forget to follow Design Inspiration to explore more living spaces that help you find balance, from the outside to the inside.